This is Catherine at Catherine's Granny Squares. Welcome to my channel. This is where I talk about my passion, which is crocheting. Today I want to show you what I've been working on since I was last on. Well, what am I holding up? A virus shawl. My all-time favourite crochet project. We went away on holiday and this is what I made whilst we were away. So it's finished and I like to wear mine like this because I feel it gives you nice coverage and it shows off the pattern. But of course you can wear it around your shoulders. So for this size shawl, I use less than a ball of yarn, about 80 grams. I've got this much left. I used a 5mm crochet hook, just checking that was a 5. And the yarn I used was a yarn bought from a bargain bucket. Remember to look in your bargain buckets in the local yarn shops. And it is a Stylecraft Life DK vintage look. I don't know if you can get these now. I don't think you can unless you go on various sites like eBay, etc. But this was in a bargain bucket and it is really very, very good. The fact that I could get a virus shawl out of a ball, and this is how much is left. So about 80 grams of yarn made this virus shawl. Now I'm not sure if it's because it's a wool mix. I don't know, but I'm very pleased that I got this size shawl out of such little yarn. So that is the virus shawl. We'll talk a bit more about those later on. So that was my finished project and it was my holiday project. So I'll pop that one up there. And for the pattern, well, I've got videos on my channel and I've made so many virus shawls. To be honest with you, I just I just do them now. They're like off pat in my head. The next thing I want to show you is what I was working on before the holiday, and it's this star blanket. Now I do love star blankets. So this is actually from Crochet Now magazine, not the current issue, the one before. It's called the Sorcerers Star Blanket and the picture shows lots of colours in it, but I want it to go in my living room. So what I've done is I've just used the 3 colours. And these are from the Wool Warehouse, Yarnsmiths, their own brand of double knit yarn. So that's the colourway I've picked to go in the living room. The room I'm filming in today. So that's how it's coming up using the 3 colours. Just to show you again. And I'm using a 5mm crochet hook. I always have to check, so I've got several projects on the go. I'm pretty sure that that is a 5. Yes, seems to be my favourite hook, doesn't it? So when I started it, I tried more colours and I just wasn't feeling it for this other colour. So that's why I went down to the 3 colours. But to say the pattern is showing more colours, and you know, it's whatever you want to do, isn't it really? And the designer is Nicole Simpson. She's down there. So that was from my Crochet Now magazine. As soon as I got that, I was, oh sorry, not the camera, straight on to making that, I can tell you. So finished the virus shawl on holiday, and then that's the star blanket. The other thing I've been working on quite a lot is my, I'm going to just put that down. I can see it all just tumbling. You know how clumsy I am if you've watched me for a while. It's the Hexagon Cardigan. Now we're attached here to the wool genie that my husband kindly bought me as a gift. So that's, I'm doing as per Crafting a Cuppa channel, says that she tends to do one so many rows on one panel and then does so many rows in the other panel. So I've got 2 on the go because the last one I made I followed her as well. So that's, I've already done some of that, and now I do so many rows at a time, and then eventually you see they'll join. So I've been working on that quite a bit, and I'm finding that very relaxing. It's a very relaxing project to work on with all the granny stitch. And the yarn I'm using for that is this gorgeous colour. Oh, it's lovely. I just love this. It's Hayfield Spirit double knit. It's a wool mix, shade 0415. Oh, I just absolutely adore the colours in that. And it's a 4.5 for that one, 4.5mm crochet hook, not a 5. So that's what I'm working on. And I just wanted to go back to this hook here. This was one of the hooks I treated myself to from this set from the Quilted Bear. And I am absolutely loving using that. It's a beechwood. Just wanted to mention that. So that was that. Okay, so all that. Now the other thing is, do you remember I did the knitting with the mega knitting needles, the rocket needles, and I actually finished the scarf. I forgot about it. I've done it, put away. So that is going to be so cozy, isn't it? Oh my goodness, so cozy. So that was with the rocket needles and the yarn. You can't get any more, but it's a super chunky yarn. So that's the scarf. So I'm not a knitter. I call myself a crochet more than a knitter, but very happy with that. It's so soft, so soft. So any chunk, I suppose any big needles with super chunky yarn will give you that texture. So that leaves the temperature blanket. I just do my gym session, excuse me, when I lift it up. Oh my goodness me. I was working on it a couple of days ago, and I nodded off in the afternoon. My husband said, it's no wonder you've got that blanket on, you've nodded off. So we're in October, but because we're away, and I do want this to be local because it's coastal temperature blanket. That was the whole idea. Just a minute, I'm joined there, so let me give myself some leeway with the yarn. Where are we? Where are we in proceedings? So we're here. I'm not going to open it all out. It's ever so heavy. So this is where I've been working on. Excuse me a minute. I'll just turn it around. There we go. Right. So we had, that was the beginning of September. That's cream colour. Where are we? Can't see here. Here. Well, that was September, the beginning of September. And it ended, you can't really see it, but just here. And now we're in October. You see, I've only done that a little bit for October because, as I say, we weren't here, and I do want it to be a temperature blanket for this area. So what I think is going to happen now the temperatures are going down, it's going to be going backwards to what it was like before when it came from the winter colours and then it went up into spring. So we're going to go, I think, full circle and go back. So yes, that's a big blanket now, and I'm only doing 2 rows a week because it's going to be too big to work on and for the bed otherwise. So I'm using, let me just pop it down. I'm using double knit yarn and a, guess what? No, not a 5. It's a 4. It's a 4.5. And millimeter crochet hook and double knit yarn, apart from at the end of the month when I do a row using Aran yarn in cream. So that is the temperature blanket. Now, just want to say, going back to the virus shawl for a moment. Sally from Nanny Moon's Crochet. Hello, Sally, if you're watching. I was telling her that I was working on the virus shawl, and she said that she hadn't done one, and she thought it looked a bit complicated. And I told her that I have got tutorials. I know people who follow me regularly will hear me saying this, but I have got tutorials on the channel for virus shawl pattern, and it takes you through it nice and steady. And then I've got virus shawl tips, and I've got one for 4-ply. Ooh, 4-ply. What was I thinking of? Cotton. Cotton as well, to make a summer one. Obviously in the UK we're not going to need a summer virus shawl at the moment, but Sally, if you're watching, let me know if you have a go. I'm sure that I'll see it on your channel because I follow you, as you know. But there we go. So anyone who wants to make one of these shawls, and remember I only used about 80 grams to get this size, check out the channel. Now, I don't know if any of you want to see how much that, I mean, as I say, I wear it that way. Let's just pop it round, because I don't wear it this way at all. But let me see how much it gives you, just so as you've got an idea if you did like to wear them that way. Oh, yeah, now you still get some coverage, don't you? I mean, if you wanted to make it a bit longer, obviously you'd need a bit more yarn. And then, tie it here. Oh, that would be just as good, wouldn't it? There you go. Quite liking that, actually. But I still like it the other way, but that's quite nice as well. So, there you go. Virus shawl. Have a go. You know I'm always advocating virus shawl, and it's how shawls, and that's how I started my channel. So, I do absolutely love a virus shawl. So I think I've covered everything. I've shown you the virus shawl, we've talked about it. I've shown you the star blanket, the cardigan, and the temperature blanket. The other thing I just want to say is we had a really exciting time lately. Well, I did. My husband kindly drove me to Leicester to my nurses reunion. So if any of the new subscribers I've got are any of my old nursing friends, hello to you all, because I know you're interested in the channel. It was lovely. It was like we just met up yesterday, and 47 years since we started training. So the big one is coming up soon. So that was lovely, and I wanted to mention that and say hello if any of you are watching. And on that note, I think I will close for now. And what are you working on? Are you trying any virus shawls, or are you making any nice warm winter scarves or blankets or anything for Christmas? Let me know what you're working on. I'd love to hear. And I will see you all soon. This is Catherine from Catherine's Granny Squares, and as always, happy crocheting. Bye for now.